If you're a tech lover, this one's for you. Get ready to unfold the secrets of the Galaxy Z Fold 6. 3 months with the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 and it's clear, this foldable means business. First up, software optimization. Unlike the Pixel 9 Pro Fold, the Z Fold 6 nails it. Apps adapt seamlessly, whether you're halfway folded or fully open. Next, battery life. In CNET's video streaming test, it only dropped to 82% after 3 hours. That's some serious stamina for a foldable. And let's not forget that stunningly bright display. It's perfect for indoor settings, making your media consumption a visual treat. But it's not all sunshine and rainbows. The high price tag is a hurdle. And while Samsung's Galaxy AI features are promising, they're not quite game changers yet. So if you're in the market for a foldable phone with top-notch adaptability and battery life, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 might just be your new best friend. Stay tuned for more tech insights.